Welcome to our YouTube channel on Job Discovery. The topic going look today is simple interest. So today first question is very simple. Find the simple interest. 1 Rs 7,000, 8 Rs 50 by 3% per annum for 9 months. So see here, given data is principal given is 7,000, right? So right here 7,000 and rate of interest 50 by 3% per annum, but time is given only 9 months and rate of interest is given per annum. So month convert to in year. So 9 by 12 month. Okay, so it is in year, right? Now we need what will be simple interest, because question asking find the simple interest. So simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. Simple interest is principal is given 7,000, rate of interest is given 50 by 3 per annum. So 50 and by 3 into time duration is 9 by 12, because this is a month we need per annum. So 9 by 12, because 9 month comes in a, so 12 into 100. Okay friends, so 0 cancel, 3 9 3 3 is 9 and 3 4 is 12. Now 2 to the 4 and 225 is 50. Now 235 is 70. So 70. So 35 into 25. Simple interest is equal to 35 into 25. Right? Calculate it. It will be our answer. Okay. So move to question number 2. So simple interest will be 35 into 25 will be 875, right? So our simple interest is 875. So answer is 875. Find the simple interest on Rs 7,000 at 50 by 3% per annum for 9 months. So it will be 875. Okay, move to question number 2. Question number 2 is child took a loan for 6 years at the rate of 5% per annum on simple interest. If the total interest paid was Rs 1,230, the principal was, we need what is the principal. Okay, so see here, given data is rate of interest per annum 5%, time duration is 6 years. Okay, and simple interest is given, total simple interest 1,230. This is a real amount, but what will be total simple interest in percent? So 5% comes in 1 year. What about of 6 years? So 5 into 6 will be 30%. So total simple interest in a percent 30%. So 30% is equal to 1,230. So we can say 30% is equal to 1,230. Okay, we need what was the principal. Principal always will be 100%, right? So 0 and 0 cancel, 3 2 जा 3 4 जा 12, 3 1 जा 3. So 1% is equal to 41. We need principal. Principal is equal to 100%. So multiply by 100% will be 41 and 00. So 4100. So 4100 is answer of this question. Move to question number 3. Question number 3. Yet 5% per annum simple interest Rahul brought 500. Yet 5% per annum simple interest Rahul borrowed 500. What will he pay to clear debt after 4 years? So friends, here given data is Rahul borrowed 500 at 5% per annum interest, simple interest, on simple interest, right? And time is given 4 years. So question asking what will be his amount, total amount. So see here, simple interest is equal to PRT by 100, right? Simple interest is equal to PRT by 100. Principal is given 500 and rate of interest is 5%, right? And time duration is 4 years. So principal is 500, rate of interest is 5%, and time duration is 4 years. So substitute all value here. Simple interest will be 5 into rate of interest is 5%. So it will be here 100. Okay, and time duration is 4. So 0 0 cancel, 5 5 ja 20, 24 ja 5 5 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. So simple interest is equal to 100. We need what will be his total amount. Total amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. So amount is equal to principal plus simple interest. So amount will be principal is 500 and simple interest is 100. Principal is 500 and simple interest is 100. So 500 plus 100, amount will be 600. So 600 is answer of this question. Thank you for watching this video. If you really like it, please subscribe our channel and share with your friend and press the bell icon. Thanks.